Hi, my name is Wyatt Wilson. I am making a documentary today about farming and the ups and downs.
I wanted to start a farm because I wanted my kids to be able to experience the cycle of life and to learn the responsibility of feeding and watering and having to take care of somebody or something besides themselves. I think the benefits of farming is we get to spend a lot of quality time together as a family. The kids get to see the cycle of life. The kids get to experience the different temperaments of the animals and get knowledgeable as far as the process of chicken eggs and how to store them and cook them and things like that. There are some downsides. Sometimes some of the kids get attached to an animal that either passes on its own or may need to be processed, so they get sad when those animals have to go. Really, the only other con to that is farming takes a lot of time and it's a lot of responsibility that is put on everybody, not just one person. The benefit for teenagers is responsibility and work ethic. It makes them grow muscles, having to carry the water buckets. It teaches them responsibility as far as, these animals depend on us. They don't have hands and feet. They have feet, but they're more like hooves, but they don't have the capability of getting their own food because they're hungry or, hey, I'm thirsty, I'm gonna go get some water when their buckets are empty. So it teaches your kids responsibility.
What do you think the benefits of farming are?
Well, you get to know what your animals are actually being fed. You get to watch over your animals. You get to have a relationship with your animals. You don't have to pay the high cost of the market stores prices.
What are the downsides of farming?
It's a lot of time, a lot of money, but it all pays out in the end. And it's kind of hard to go on vacations when you have a lot of animals, trying to find someone to take care of them. And during the winter time, if you have any babies during the winter time, as far as goats or sheep or whatever you may have, it's a struggle to try to keep them warm.
What do you like about farming?
It's a good pastime. I enjoy it. I enjoy the animals. I enjoy the time I get to spend with the animals. You get to create a bond with your animals.
Thank you for your time.
No problem.